Of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Honorable guest, respected teacher, and dear audience, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Before we step forward to what is needed for success, let's go back into the darkness where everything was engulfed with barbarism. Let's look into the blood-red pages of history when the mankind was ashamed over the boundless and limitless oppression. Let's mark the cruelty and injustice of the world before the sunrise of Islam. Dear guests, I stand before you today to raise a banner, not of individual conquest, but of collective triumph. For carved in the fabric of human achievement, interwoven with every thread of brilliance and perseverance are three virtues that shine like guiding stars: unity, faith, and discipline. These three are not made words, but the basic building blocks and maxims given to us by our great leader Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the founder of our beloved country Pakistan, where we breathe liberty and we cherish freedom. Unity means to stand together, faith means to have complete trust in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and discipline is to obey the rules and regulations of our society and our state. Unity, faith and discipline multiply strength, diminish fear and transform individual into an unstoppable force. This unit demands strong belief, which is just not a blind devotion, but the unshakable trust in the possibility of success. It fuels the fire in the bellies of dreamers, pushing them through setbacks and disappointments. It whispers, "You can," even when the world shouts, "Give up." It is the anchor that holds us steady in the storm, reminding us that our journey, though effortful, has meaning. These three virtues are not independent stars, but a constellation, their brilliance amplified by their proximity. Unity fosters faith, faith breeds discipline, and discipline strengthens unity. And today, Quaid-e-Azam and those all who sacrificed their lives for the creation of Pakistan demand us to follow the same virtues in our daily lives, in our families, communities and workplaces. When we stand together, not as rivals but as comrades, when we believe in ourselves and our shared goals, and when we commit to the path we choose, we can bow to the star and become successful. So, let us weave these three threads into the fabric of our lives. Let us pledge to be the rope that lifts our fellows, the voice that strengthens their resolve, and the hand that guides them through darkness. For with unity, faith and discipline as our watcher, there is no challenge we cannot overcome, no peak we cannot conquer, and no dream we cannot turn into the reality. Thank you.